Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain how to integrate zeely with social media for easy ad posting. Integrating zeely with your social media account is quickly and essential for running ads smoothly. When starting up with your first campaign, zeely will prompt you to connect your Facebook, Instagram, or Google account. Just log in through zeely's secure interface and grant the necessary permission. No coding or manual setup required. So once connected, zeely automatically pull in your business profile, sync audience settings, and publish your ads directly to the selected platform. This integration also allows zeely's AI to manage things like targeting, placement, and performance tracking across your social media channel, all from one dashboard. Zeely connects with your social media account in few clicks, enabling direct ads publishing, audience syncing, and automated performance management, making ad posting effortless and centralized.